Hi, I'm Alan of Motolabs, and this channel is all about me using two wheels for travel, long rides, and food trips. Today, I got the Sokani wireless mic. I was curious about this product, and also I want to test it with our Sony A7iii mirrorless full frame camera. I just want you to know that I'm a casual guy and I'm not an expert with audio or wireless mics. So I will be using these more for casual use and maybe other things. Yes, I know there's a big brand wireless mic that's similar to this, but this is much cheaper, and also it's a UHF system. Based from what I read or watch or research, the UHF system has less dropouts, more reliable, and much better when it comes to interference or obstructions. For the whole video, or for the entire video, I will be using the Sokani wireless mic as an audio. I'm actually using it right now. So I'm using the audio from the wireless mic Sokani, except for the how to operate part where I will be using the DJI Pocket 2's audio, because I will be showing you how to operate the two wireless mics. So before we do the test, here's what's inside the box. Inside the box, it has a nice carrying case with the accessories and of course the wireless mics. So once you open the carrying case, you will see the two mics and the accessories. So for this microphone, this is the transmitter. This is where you plug in the lapel, and that's the built-in microphone. Then you have the controls, the settings, and the decibels. Then you have the on and off power. You have the port for charging. Then you also have the clip in the back. So the first mic is the transmitter. Then the next mic is the receiver. So you have the TRS connection or TRS port. Then you have the port for headphone jack so that you can listen or monitor the audio. Then of course you have the volume control and the settings button. You have the port for charging. You have the on and off button, and of course you have the clip in the back side of this receiver mic. Next is the cold shoe mount adapter for various types of cameras. Next is the TRS to TRS wire. This is for the cameras, for example our A7iii or any type of cameras. Anyways, it's easy to know because there's a label in the wire, so you will never get confused with this. I just don't know if this is for action cameras or if it's for the other wire. But what I know, this wire is for mirrorless or DSLR cameras. The next wire is the TRS to TRRS. So the difference is the TRS has 2 lines and the TRRS has 3 lines. So the gray one is for the phone, and the black one is for the wireless mic. So this wire is for phone cables, and I tested it with my iPad Pro, so it includes the iPad Pro. Next is the lapel microphone. It's really nice that this wireless mic includes a lapel mic, because I think some of the competitors doesn't include it. You have to buy it separately. But for this one, it already includes the lapel mic. So this lapel mic will go to the transmitter. So you will have to plug it in the microphone icon. So this is how it looks like once the lapel mic is plugged in. Then you have a nice after sales card, and also you have the user guide or manual. Then it already includes the charging wires, a 2 USB-C connection, so you can charge both transmitter and receiver wireless mics. Then you have this magnetic clip. I really don't know the use of this for now. If you know, just comment down below. And yeah, maybe I'll read the manual later so I can check the purpose of this. So that's it for now, and what we will do next is how to operate the wireless mic. I'm using right now the audio coming from my DJI Pocket 2. I'm using this audio because right now I will show you how to operate the Sokani wireless mic with the Sony A7iii full frame camera or with any mirrorless or DSLR cameras. So first, this is the transmitter. So you will know that this is the transmitter because of this microphone icon and the built-in microphone. So you can attach the lapel mic here in the transmitter. So it's attached now, and then we go to the receiver. This is the receiver. It's currently clipped in the shoe mount of the A7iii. Then you will know it's the receiver because it has this icon for the TRS. This one, the TRS icon, where you will attach this TRS to TRS wire. You can also see the headphone jack here where you can plug the headphone so you can monitor the sound or audio. So this transmitter will go to your shirt, or you can hide it or clip it to your shirt or clothes. So to operate both of them, let's open first the receiver. So just press the on and off button, just 2 seconds, 1, 2, then release. Once it's open, you can also open the transmitter. Just hold the on and off button, 1, 2. So in the receiver, you can see the levels when you talk, so you will know that the audio is working because right now you can see the levels. Hello, hello. So as you can see, the levels are reacting right now. Hello. So you will also see the channels. So if the receiver is channel 2, then the transmitter should be channel 2 also. You can set that in the settings. You can choose what channels. Now you may ask, why do you have to choose a channel? You have to choose a channel because sometimes there might be an interference with certain channels. So you have to choose the channel that's has less or no interference. But for most part, any channel will do. Just make sure that the channels are the same for both wireless mic. For the receiver, you can also set the volume. The maximum volume is 15. So you can set it here in this button, the minus and plus buttons. Right now, this TRS cable is connected to the A7iii's plug for wireless microphones. It's in the side here. Now let's go to the transmitter. So this is the transmitter where the lapel mic is plugged in. It also has the levels, as you can see. Then you have the decibels in this area. So you can control the decibels by clicking the minus button or the plus button. So for the settings, you can also choose you can unplug the lapel if you don't want to use the lapel. But I think the audio is much better with the lapel. So that's how you operate the wireless mic using the A7iii or any mirrorless or DSLR cameras. So next will be the outdoor and indoor tests. So right now, I'm outside and I will test the audio quality and the distance of this Sokani wireless mic. I will walk further away towards that direction and let me know about the sound quality or if there's an interference. I already set up the camera, so here's the camera and the Sokani mic. So what I will do is walk towards that direction and count, and let me know about the quality. So I will start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 30, 34, 36, 38, 39, 42, 43, 47, 48, I will go back now and let the quality is good. It's actually raining, so I don't know if it will have an effect on the mic. But anyways, I'm coming back right now. So let me know in the comments if the audio quality is good or if you hear some interference. It's raining outside right now and there's cars in the back, so I don't know if you will hear it. Let me know the quality of Sokani, especially when I walk further away earlier. So again, here's the microphone. So earlier, while walking towards in that direction, the line of sight is in front of me. So I don't know if it affects the quality or not. Anyways, let me know. We will go back to my room and review everything, and I will give you my final thoughts. So we're back in my room, and so far I've checked the videos and the audio. Right now I'm happy with what I'm hearing with Sony A7iii with the Sokani wireless mic attached. So most likely we can use this with casual shoots, events, interviews, and other things with our A7iii and also our A65. So if you're looking for your maybe first wireless mic, or if you're looking for a budget mic, I can recommend this wireless mic. And the sound that's coming out from this Sokani wireless mic is actually good enough. So you can use it on usual or standard shoots or events or even interviews. This is actually a good alternative compared to the other big brand names that's similar to this wireless mic. So again, if you're on a budget or looking for your first wireless mic, or if you just need an affordable wireless mic, the Sokani wireless mic is a good option. So I will be putting the links, their website and their Amazon link below on the description, so you can check out the details about the microphone and their other products. So I hope you like this review about the Sokani wireless mic, and thank you for watching the video. Until next time.
étoiles.